Science has taken many forms throughout history, but have you ever heard of decentralized science? Or DeSci? To understand DeSci, let's talk about how science usually works. Most scientific research today happens at universities or research institutions. Scientists work in labs, often as a part of a university or large organization. To do their research, scientists usually need funding. This money often comes from governments, foundations, companies. Scientists apply for grants, and projects receive funding. This system has led to many important discoveries, and it is how much of modern science operates today. But it's not the only way that science can be done. If we look back throughout history, science has been done a bunch of different ways. At different times, it has been done in scientific societies, academies, small groups, and even informal collaborations. And the way that science is organized has changed over time, often based on the tools people had to communicate, share information, and work together. And today, we have new tools, including the internet. So DeSci, which stands for decentralized science, contrary to centralized science, is an approach that explores how science can be supported using online, community-based tools. Instead of research being organized only inside one university or institution, DeSci projects often bring together people online. And these communities can include scientists, engineers, and really anyone else who cares about advancing the research. So how does DeSci work? Well, there isn't just one holy grail model, but many projects share a few common ideas. First, there's community funding. Instead of relying on traditional grants, groups of people can pool resources to support research that they care about. Second is shared decision-making. Community members can discuss ideas, propose projects, and help decide how the funds are used. And then third is transparency. Some DeSci projects use digital tools to make decisions and make funding visible so people can see how the mechanics of projects are working. Mind you, scientists are still very essential to this project. They're the ones who are designing the experiments, doing the work, guiding the scientific decisions. What changes is how the work is funded and organized. So why does DeSci matter? Well, DeSci adds more ways to support science. And this can be especially helpful for research that is new, interdisciplinary, or doesn't necessarily fit into any existing categories. One example might be quantum biology. So let's keep growing that toolbox for scientists and allow more cool science to actually come into reality.